Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I'll be unboxing this Home8 Security Ultra Secure Starter Kit. And let's look at some of the highlights on the box first. So they're advertised to be using the AES 256 level encryption, one app, group protection, easy installation, expandable, and also supports in multiple locations. Here's some of the highlights on the back of the box over here. Mobile tools, HD monitoring, 24/7 recording, mobile alerts, two-way audio, local and cloud storage. And for the local and cloud storage, I just point out the fine print on the bottom. The micro SD card they use is FAT32. And also for online usage, you must have a Dropbox account. And here's a list of all the contents that's in the box. Alright, let's open this up. Get rid of the silicone cap right over here. And here's the quick start guide. Go over some of the pages on here. The mounting options and some troubleshooting tips. Put that to the side. We got two other boxes in here. Nothing else inside. Let's open this one up first. In the first box is the base station. For the AC adapter, it is universal, 100 to 240 volts, outputs at 5 volt 2 amp. It's a USB type of connection, and this part flips out. It came with a micro USB cable, and also a network cable. As for the base station, got a number of LEDs in the front over here, antenna on the back, on top, reset, pinhole, USB, the network port, power, 3 non-slip pads, and also the power requirement and serial information printed right on the bottom. And I also like to mention that with the antenna, I can remove it and replace it with a different one if I wanted. Here's a second box. Here's all the contents in the second box. Let's start with this mini cube camera. And in front, it says Media Life right below the image sensor. And before using it, just remember to take off these little things over here. It is adjustable, but it's manually adjusted. And I can also unscrew this, and it reveals a tripod thread on the bottom over here. And on this side, we have the micro SD card. On the back, we have a speaker, a QR code, a micro USB cable input, and also the serial number and also DC requirements, 5 volt 1 amp. Here's the base unit. It came with the wall mount screws and anchor for the base unit. On this side, we got the microphone. And on top one, this is the AC adapter. It is universal, 100 to 240 volts input, outputs at 5 volt 2 amp, which is the same as the base station. And this part also flips out. So a micro USB cable. Now here's a key fob, a little keychain remote to enable or disable the security system. Here we got an infrared motion sensor, QR code on the bottom, device information printed over there. And if I just pull this up, I get to expose the back. And these are what came with this little motion sensor. There's a battery it runs off on. It's a lithium-ion battery CR123A. And a number of 3M adhesives, 2 strips, and 2 rectangular pads. And finally, we got 2 sensors here. These are for doors or windows. And they're also battery powered. Just lift this little tab. Battery goes right in here. And close this back up. Little LED indicator over here. Then we got the QR code and also the serial number information printed right on the side. Here's the battery that powers this. Same one as the motion sensor, CR123A lithium ion. These are the magnets that go with this sensor. And is attached using 3M adhesives. Also came with 2 size strips, one for the magnet sensor and the other one for the transmitter. Here's another look at everything that came in the box. We got the base unit router, the power adapters, a network cable, a keychain fob. We also have motion sensors and door window sensors, and these are powered by the CR123A batteries that were provided. We also have the adhesives to mount the sensors. For this mini Q camera, 720p, and it also came with the power cables for it too, an AC wall adapter, as well as the wall anchors and mounts. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Home8 Security Ultra Secure Starter Kit. Stay tuned for my setup video. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.